Hey, welcome back. Today, we're going to go on a little journey to rediscover a shape that's so common we kind of don't even see it anymore. I mean, it's in our pockets, on our walls, it's literally what gets us from place to place. So let's dive in and take a closer look. Okay, so think about it for just a second. If you had to pick just one shape that you can find all around you, right this very moment, what would it be? Pretty sure the answer is hiding in plain sight. You definitely see it in the wheels that carry us everywhere. Yep, it's in the coins rattling around in our pockets, and it's right there on the clocks, ticking away the hours. The answer, of course, is the circle. All right, so you know what the first step for any good explorer is, right? It's just opening your eyes and observing. We're about to become experts at spotting circles out in the wild. And honestly, once you start looking for them, you can't stop seeing them everywhere. I mean, think about the huge variety here, from the top of a drum that makes music, to the steering wheel that gives us control, all the way to the cup you drink from every single morning. They're all completely different objects, but they all share this one perfect shape. Okay, so we're getting good at spotting them. Now let's try actually making them. This next part of our journey is all about grabbing the right tools to draw a perfect circle. And you know what? It's actually way easier than you might think. All you need is one of those objects we just found. Just place it down on a piece of paper. Make sure you hold it down nice and firm so it doesn't wiggle, and then carefully trace right around the outside edge with a pencil. And boom, that line you just made, well, that's pretty much the official definition of a circle. It's simply the complete curved line you get by tracing around a circular object. So simple, so elegant, and so perfect. Okay, check it out. We can spot them and we can draw them. Now, it's time to play detective. We're going to do a little experiment to uncover the secret properties that make a circle so special. So, first things first, grab that circle you drew and just carefully cut it out. This flat paper circle, by the way, has a fancy name, a circular lamina. Now, fold it precisely in half. Got it? Good. Then, while it's still folded, fold it in half one more time. But hold on. Before you open it, what do you think you're going to see? What will those fold lines actually show us? All right, go ahead, unfold it, and there it is. This is so cool. This is the first big secret. It doesn't matter how you folded it, all of those fold lines cross at the exact same point, right there in the middle. That is the circle's center. But wait, we're not done yet. Now here's the really cool part. If you take a ruler and measure from that center point out to anywhere on the outside edge, you're going to find that the distance is always, and I mean always, exactly the same. That's the second big secret of the circle. You know, this whole idea of inside, on, and outside, it seems super simple, but it's actually really powerful. It's the basic rule in games like darts or archery, right? Are you on the line, inside the target, or outside? The circle creates this perfect, simple boundary for absolutely everything. All right, so we've spotted them, we've drawn them, and now we even know their secrets. For our last step, let's have some fun and become artists. Let's see how these simple rules can create something truly beautiful. And look, this isn't just about doodling. Circles are a huge, huge part of design all over the world. You see them in the patterns on clothes, in decorations for festivals, and even in the stunning architecture of some religious places. Let's try making a simple one together, right now. Just draw a straight line. Now grab a coin and trace a circle on that line. Then just slide the coin down the line a little bit and trace another circle so it overlaps with the first one. Just keep doing that over and over, and look at that. You've got yourself a beautiful, classic chain pattern. So let's just take a step back and recap this whole adventure, right? We started as observers, just learning to spot the circles that are all around us. Then we became creators, tracing our own. But the real breakthrough happened when we became investigators, folding that paper to uncover a circle's two biggest secrets, that powerful center point and that perfect, constant distance to the edge. And it's that knowledge that finally lets us become designers, using these simple rules to create all kinds of beautiful patterns. So there you have it. You've got all the tools now. You're a circle explorer and a circle artist. The only question left is, what cool design are you going to create first? Get out there and keep exploring.